Hey, hello everyone, this is Rutik and it's our day 41 of Finding Job series. So let me tell you what I did today and what not. So as usual, I woke up at 7. After that I did some exercise, get ready and sat at my desk. So today I learn about the concept about the accessibility development most of. So the concept name is a WCAG. So first of all, let me tell you what is WCAG is. WCAG is nothing but a guidelines for the how we can develop our website to accessible for all people. So let's start from the beginning. WCAG means Web Context Accessibility Guidelines. Okay. So first of all, let me tell you what is accessibility is. Accessibility means when I build any kind of a website, it should be useful or it should be means all sort of people able to use it. What is meant by all sort of people? So the people having any disabilities like a motor disability, like they don't use mouse or they don't able to see it, they don't able to hear it, so that kind of problems. So we need to tackle that, and how we tackle that, so using the WCAG guidelines. So actually there are three levels in WCAG, like A, double A and triple A. A means the website which is used rarely by those type of peoples. Double A means the website is mostly used like in industrial areas, and triple A means yeah, it's all sort of peoples are use this website like a government website and like that, healthcare and government, etc, etc. So these are some types, and let me tell you how WCAG work around it. So WCAG have a four principle. First one is a perceivable. The website should be perceivable for the all peoples. So it should be good images, and each images have given the alt text. The video has the captions, etc, etc. So using that we can able to build our website perceivable. Another is operable. So if my website I'm able to operate it using the keyboard as well, it's not only operable with the mouse, so that means our website is operable. And another one is understandable. So if I am opening an website and it's have a proper labels, proper headers, proper captions to it, and a proper div tag, and tags or elements are using it, so it is understandable. So this kind of website which is understandable for all the peoples. And another last one is the robust. So if my user not able to see it, so they can use the screen reader, etc, etc. So our website able to means work with the screen reader and etc. So at that time we need to use semantic tags, area tag, etc. So yeah, that are the four pillar of the WCAG, like perceivable, understandable, operable and robust. And let me tell you one thing, when we use the semantic tag, at that time our website mostly around 60 to 70% is accessible for the all people. So semantic tags are the very necessary things for the accessibility. And yeah, area tag we are use that when the tags which is HTML not provide the value, not provide the context of that thing or that section. At that time we use the area tag, like area means I think accessible reach, yeah, like that, accessible reach, internet apps like that. So yeah, I learn about the accessibility WCAG, and after that I move on to the DSA part where I'm solving the binary tree problems. I solve the I learn about the DFS and BFS search, which is a depth first search and breadth first search. Like yeah, recursion is basically like depth first search, and in order, pre-order, post-order, these are the traversal type in the binary tree, which are the useful for the depth first search. And for the breadth first search we are use the level traversal, means we are traversing through the each level of that tree. So I solved problems around it, and after that, yeah, I had my lunch break. I did my lunch, take some little bit of nap, and doing little bit of I think walking. And after that I moved to the project section where I completed one feature about my project, and yeah, I deployed it as well. And after that I moved to the coding section where I solve the two problems today, which is like first one is I think two sum, and another one is moving 0 to the end. So let me tell you how's my approach toward the solving that problem. So first problem is two sum. So if I have array in which the numbers, and targeted value with something like targeted value is 9, and in array I have 2 somewhere and 7 somewhere, so I want to return the place of 2 and 7. So the one thing, the first approach which is come in our mind, it's like a brute force approach, like take first element, add with all rest of element. If it is equal to our target, then return it. If not, then move to the another element, check with or add with all elements in array. If it is equal to target, then return it. So like that. But it is very time complexity heavy, like it has a o n square of time complexity. So we need to reduce that, and we want optimized solution. So the another solution is there, using the map. So let me tell you how I am get that approach, how I am able to think about that approach and all. So I want target, okay. I have first element in array, like I am traversing, iterating through that array, and I get the current element which is r of I. How would I know that the another element which is present in the array or not? So if my target is 9, and I get first value which is 2, so if I minus 9 and 2, I get the needed value. So I get the 7. At that time I check if that 7 is present in the array or not, and for checking instantly we are using the map. So the logic is simple. If the number, the needed number, which is the target minus current element, which is present in array, present in map, then return it. And if it is not, then add it. It is the simple logic. And after that, I move on to the move 0 problem, where we move 0 towards end of our array. It is a very simple approach where we use the two pointer method. First one, like if my array, or if array of I is not equal to 0, then swap it and move forward over x. If it is equal to 0, then ignore it, just move forward, means just move I forward, x remains still there. And when we did it again and again, our all 0 shifted toward the right and all values shifted toward the left. So yeah, I solved those two problems. After that I did some little bit of communication practice. I think I need to change my communication practice or a communication session to something. I am not doing it regularly, or I think I am not growing due to this, so I need to change it little bit. And yeah, after that I apply some jobs. Actually I apply very little jobs today. I am not sure, I think I need to apply more, because I'm not able to find new jobs in the platforms where I am applying. But yeah, I need to find another platforms. I need to apply from the career site, from the website. So yeah, that's it for today, I think. Yeah, bye, let's meet tomorrow once again.